Definitely feels like it's late fall out there.
It does. It does. It's one of those times a year. I mean, we're almost smack in the middle of November. Temperatures have been kind of all over the place this last week, and now we're going to get into another kind of wet and windy weekend. Right now, this is how it looks. Lincoln City, a temperature of 58. And you notice some of those, looks like sea foam right there. And indeed, it is sea foam. So you get some of that biological material kind of churned up when we get some big waves offshore. And then it shows up like this on the beach. So nice evening for a walk coming up as we get into this weekend before the heavy rain shows up. So right now we're in between systems. What we've seen on radar over the last couple of hours, most of that rain favoring western Washington, portions of southwest Washington moving across Kelso and Longview. You're getting a couple of light sprinkles out there, but you head out to the Vancouver waterfront and things are looking really nice right now. Mostly cloudy to partly cloudy skies, depending on which direction you look here. Temperature of 53, wind is out of the south at 7. As we get into your afternoon hours, we're going to move that into the lower 50s and kind of keep it there, keeping it mostly cloudy for this evening. Taking you all the way up to Mount Hood Meadows. You got plans to head up to the mountains? We have a forecast for you. Let's go all the way to Highway 35 Meadows Drive. So as soon as you get above 5,000 feet, that's when you're going to see the snow off to the sides of the road, but the roadways, the main thoroughfares, are actually looking pretty good, just looking at wet roads out there. And that's what we expect going into tonight. But tomorrow, a little bit of a different story. As we bring in the bulk of our moisture tomorrow, we're going to see our snow levels hovering right about 5,000 feet. Seeing the snow accumulate on some of our roadways. But again, you really got to get above government camp before you can count on any snow on your path to head up to the mountains. Okay, mountain forecast. It is going to be a wet and windy one for us. Now, if you're going to be below 5,000 feet at government camp, you can expect it to rain and some of those strong winds. 45 for you on Sunday. Sunday is looking a lot better. Just a few scattered showers possible. Here's what it looks like on Futurecast. If you're heading out there tonight for any football, high school football games, a couple of quick sprinkles possible right around 7, 8 o'clock. Otherwise dry until we get to our next front showing up Saturday morning, lasting through Saturday night. Sunday during the day, we get a break. By Sunday afternoon, here comes the next front knocking on our door and then moving out by the time we get to Monday midday. And then next Tuesday and Wednesday, an atmospheric river takes aim at California. So we'll just get the tail end of that, getting a few sprinkles here and there, but otherwise a little bit of a drying trend taking place for us as we get to next Tuesday and Wednesday. It's going to be especially windy for us when that front shows up tomorrow, so expect that for the coast early in the morning, upwards of 45 miles per hour, upwards of 35 miles per hour for you in the valley, and then the wind eventually dying down as soon as we get to Saturday evening. But if you're going to be doing any hiking up there, you'll really notice those wind gusts for the Mount Hood area, especially anywhere from about 40 to 45 miles per hour. Getting into that 7-day forecast. Temperature wise, no big changes happening for us. We might dial it up a couple of degrees for you tomorrow, but it's also going to be our wettest and windiest for Saturday. Sunday, it looks like a better day to get out.
Okay, you've got a big high school football game to go to tonight.
Yes, I do.
And is it going to be dry for you?
It is going to be mostly dry, but I'm going to be ready with the rain gear.
Okay. Yeah. All right, we'll be right back with one more check on that.